Hey guys, welcome back to our channel 1 to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to create an account for Upwork. So if this sounds helpful, then keep watching this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for any of our new videos. To create an account for Upwork, you can head over to the website. In the search bar, type in upwork.com. After you land on the website of Upwork, you'll need to click on the sign up option located on the top right. Next, you'll need to choose if you want to join as a client or a freelancer on Upwork. Choose your preferred option and then click on apply. You can also sign up using your Apple ID or your Google account, or you can choose to type in all your details manually. If you choose the second option, then start by typing in your name. And then type in your email address. And then create a password. Your country should be selected by default, but if it's not, you can also select it by clicking on this arrow. Agree to the terms and conditions of Upwork and then click on Create My Account. Now the final process is you'll need to verify your email address. Click on Go to Gmail box, and then from the email sent from Upwork, click on Verify Email. There you go, your account for Upwork has been created. Now there are also more steps that you'll need to complete to start receiving your work or to start hiring freelancers. You'll need to complete your profile. So that would be it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.